What's up, guys? In today's video, we'll be playing Toxic Players and Animal Rivals. Unfortunately, Chogi Mogi isn't here for this video. This is the follow-up. I have two toxic people, one nice person. So, let's get straight into it.
Oh
no, didn't work. Alright, there we go. Trying to check something. Not trying to click buttons. Yo.
Go on my team now.
Check out my other videos if you want to. If you want to, I don't know what's happening there. Right. Add 2 to that board. That's 4 toxic people. 4 toxic people. Are you nice? Are you nice?
Yes.
Unfortunately, your teammate left. Alright, that's 2 nice people. 4 toxic. I'm gonna count him as nice because he's innocent. Dog.
Yo, can someone let me win a 1v1 real quick?
I got you, dog. Wait, no, my streak.
What's your username on Roblox?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can't lose my streak, dog. No, don't.
Can someone let me
Please don't be
win a
scared.
1v1
Please don't be
real quick?
scared.
Yo,
Don't be scared.
You. Can you let me win a 1v1 real quick?
Please don't be scared, bro. Dog.
Can you let me win a 1v1?
Add another one to the That's 5. Dude, did your teammate really leave? Dog, I feel so bad for you. At least he was in a video.
Are you gonna help him with melee only?
God, melee only. You guys
I'm not fixing to do melee only right now.
Yes.
I'm not fixing to do melee only. I'm not going against an Apex. Oh, maybe I will. wait, I'm fine with this matchup. I'm fine with this matchup.
Oh my god.
I mean, this is kind of unfair. I was not fixing to go against an Apex, though.
Oh my god. Yeah.
Oh, he's a discriminator 6. That's 6.
What did you get for glazing, Titan?
That's
what you get for glazing. Glazing Apex.
What's up, Apex?
Yeah, such a glazing on.
I play BR.
What's up, dog?
Imagine glazing, bro.
I'm playing BR.
Imagine glazing. Now you're
No.
glazing on Apex.
They're using this map. I hate this map. Oh, yeah, I think that's 6
Match
people.
starting.
6 bad people, 1 good. I mean, 2 good. No,
Round
okay,
start.
fine. Melee. No, I'm not doing melee. Okay. No.
Holy. Yo, holy rocket launcher spin.
Ooh. I'm recording a video. I'm recording a video, by the way. I'm recording a video. I'm recording a video, by the way. Don't do anything. Ah, dang. He's over there. How do I mark it? I'm trying to mark.
Yo, hold on.
How do I mark things down?
Round starting.
I don't know. You have to like click where.
They're double teaming. I tried, teammate, but they're kind of double teaming me. He's rushing. Teammate. I don't know, bro. I don't know.
Oh, wait, answer this call. Hello?
I don't want
Round
to
starting.
streak.
Yo, sniper spammer is crazy.
Snipe? I just 200'd you.
I don't know.
Why are you getting so?
Round starting.
Why are you getting tilted, bro?
Yeah. At least I was trying to indicate.
Bro, when was double teaming and sniper spamming?
Bro, why are you getting tilted?
Not, right? Why are you doing
You said when was a double teaming and sniper spamming what? Oh, that's another toxic player. Seven
Round
toxic,
starting.
2 good. Crazy.
Yo, this nigga is
Okay. Yeah, very toxic player. I might have to mute my thing if
Round starting.
getting mad at me for double teaming is crazy. Close the door. Katie, I'm recording a video right now. My brother's walking in.
They do it like if it was
Round
like
starting.
an airplane or something.
Oh Jesus.
yo.
GG.
What's wrong with myself?
I don't know.
Teammate.
Yo, GG's, bro. GG's. No, you left. Oh wait, it doesn't matter.
Merry Christmas.
Yo, three good people, not 8 bad. Toxic, I mean. I'm recording a video about how many toxic and good people there are. And you're one of them. You're one of them. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Peace.
Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, bro.
Merry Christmas.
Hey. We have 3. We have 3. After this match, I'm done. What's up, dog? Wait.
What?
Y'all wanna do melee only? Dude, that is hurting my ear. There we go. Alright, come to me if you want to do melee only, or you want it to be on it too.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Do not scream in my ear again.
Okay.
Wait. If you haven't already,
Go Bobby.
wait. Do I do Rivals Royale to see for my last match? I'm gonna do the Rivals Royale for my last match, actually. Alright, how many subscribers? What's up? Oh, that's a fatal. Cool.
Purple on level 99. Purple on level 99, by the way.
Bro,
Just saying.
I won't discriminate you. Bro, I got you. I won't discriminate you.
Alright, bet.
I won't discriminate you. I don't care what rank you are. I won't discriminate, dog. Yeah, but I actually love the fit though. Are you John Wick? Are you John Wick?
Yeah.
Dog, we got John Wick on our team.
Get in my face, dude.
Sorry, I lied.
What do you mean? Sorry, you lied.
I lied about my rank.
Oh, I don't care. What do you mean? You said your rank? What?
Because most people do care about rank.
I couldn't care about rank.
Oh no, you're trash. Get off our team.
Over there. I am so sorry. I'm lagging so hard. I don't know what my brother's doing. Oh, I'm so holy lag.
Thank you.
Alright. I think that's my conclusion to the video. That's gonna be my conclusion for the video. Let's get back to lobby. Alright.
Look at this. Look at this.
If you enjoyed these videos, feel free to like and subscribe. Have a good day or good night. It's night for me. It is 7:36 for me. Peace.